120 years ago, we built our very first car. Today, that legacy takes its next step. Introducing the Spyker C8 Preliator XXV. More than 125 years of relentless craftsmanship, fearless engineering, and uncompromising passion distilled into a single machine. Every surface shaped by hand, every detail perfected, every line created with purpose. Not built to follow trends, but to outlive them. This is where heritage meets the future. The next chapter of Spyker begins now.